let's shift our focus to those ready to embark on a 14-hour fasting journey. Fasting can be challenging, especially when you're just starting out, but with the right strategies, you can set yourself up for success. Here are some practical tips to help you succeed. First, start slowly. If you're new to fasting, it's wise to start gradually. Begin with a shorter fasting window, such as 10 or 12 hours, and slowly increase it to 14 hours over a few weeks. This allows your body to adjust to the new eating pattern without feeling overwhelmed. A gradual approach can also help you develop the mental and physical discipline needed for longer fasts. Second, stay hydrated. Hydration is key during fasting. Staying hydrated is crucial during your fasting period. Drink plenty of water to keep yourself hydrated and help manage hunger. Hydration not only keeps your body functioning smoothly, but also helps to reduce cravings and avoid overeating when you break your fast. Remember, thirst is often mistaken for hunger, so make sure you're drinking enough fluids. Herbal teas and black coffee are also great options during the fasting period. Third, plan your meals wisely. When you have a limited eating window, it's important to make every meal count. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide a good balance of macronutrients, proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals to ensure you're getting all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks that can lead to energy crashes. 4. Fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it's important to listen to your body. Fasting isn't about punishing your body, it's about giving it a break. If you feel overly hungry, dizzy, fatigued, or unwell, don't push yourself to stick to the fasting window at the expense of your health. It's okay to break your fast early if your body is signaling that it needs nourishment. As you become more accustomed to fasting, you'll learn to recognize your body's signals, listen to your body first, and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. It's important to approach fasting in a way that feels sustainable and healthy for you. 5. Time your fasting window to suit your lifestyle. One of the great things about intermittent fasting is its flexibility. Choose a fasting window that fits your lifestyle and daily routine. For example, if you prefer to eat dinner with your family, you might start your fast later in the evening and break it mid-morning the next day. Aligning your fasting schedule with your natural daily rhythm can make the process feel more seamless and less disruptive to your life. 6. Stay busy and distracted. Keeping yourself busy can help you manage hunger and avoid obsessing over food during your fasting period. Engage in activities that keep your mind occupied, whether it's working on a project, exercising, or spending time with loved ones. The more you can distract yourself from thinking about food, the easier it will be to stick to your fasting window. 7. Break your fast with care. How you break your fast is just as important as the fast itself. Start with a light, balanced meal to gently wake up your digestive system. Avoid the temptation to overeat or indulge in heavy, greasy foods that can make you feel sluggish. Opt for something easily digestible, like a smoothie, a salad with lean protein, or a bowl of oatmeal with fruit. This sets the tone for healthy eating throughout your day. 8. Monitor your progress. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and see how fasting is impacting your body and overall well-being. Consider keeping a journal or using a fasting app to log your fasting times, what you eat, and how you feel. This can help you identify patterns, make adjustments, and celebrate your successes along the way. 9. Be patient and consistent. Remember, fasting is a journey, and results take time. Be patient with yourself and stay consistent with your fasting routine. It may take a few weeks or even months to fully adapt and start seeing the benefits. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll find that fasting becomes easier and more natural as part of your daily life. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of your 14-hour fast and make the experience more enjoyable and sustainable. Fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your health, but like any lifestyle change, it requires preparation, mindfulness, and commitment. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of intermittent fasting. I hope you found this information helpful and that it empowers you to make the best choices for your health. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of yourself.